Hey everyone, welcome back. So today we are going to solve another lead code problem statement, that is best time to buy and sell the stock. So you have given the list of prices and you have to buy the stock at minimum price and you have to sell it at maximum price so that you can make most profit out of it. So for an example, you have given this list of prices. If you will buy the stock at price 1 and if you will sell it at price 6, then you will make profit of 5. So let's see what approach we have to follow here. Okay, so the first thing what you have to do, whatever array we have given here, so let me write it down. It's 7, 1, 5, 3, 6 and 4. Two thing is important. First thing is the profit will initialize with 0 and the minimum we have to buy it at minimum price and we have to sell it at maximum. So initially when we will start the program, we'll consider this minimum as infinity. Now how we will calculate the profit? So you have to the sell minus buy is equal to profit. Okay, this formula we will use. We'll see how we have to do. So let's consider this is index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and index starts from 0. The first time when it will come here, it will check whether this element 7 is less than minimum value or not. So in this case it is less than, so what we have to update the minimum value. You know, if I will sell the stock on the same day, so the profit will remain 0. So we don't have to do anything. I plus plus. Once it will come at this position, it will see the element 1. So it will check whether this element 1 is less than the minimum value or not. In this case, it is less than, so it will update the minimum value. If I will sell on the same day itself, again the profit will remain 0. So we don't have to do anything. We just have to increment the value of I. Again, it will check whether this element 5 is less than the minimum value or not. In this case, it is not less than. So what we have, so we don't have to update min. What we have to do, we just have to check this formula, sell minus buy. It means if I will sell it on this day, then what will be the profit? So it will be 5 minus 1. The profit will be 4. So what we have to do, we just have to update the profit value with 4. I plus plus. Once it will come here, it will again check whether this element 3 is less than the minimum value. It is not less than. So what it will do? Next step is it will try to find the profit. Now profit will be 3 and the minimum is at 1. The profit is 2, which is not greater than the existing profit. So we will not do anything. We will simply increment the value of I. Again, it will check here whether this element less than the minimum value. No, it's not. Again, it will try to find the profit. So profit will be current element minus the minimum which we have, that is 1, and the profit is 5. So it will check whether this element is greater than the profit. Yes, it is greater. Then it will update the profit by 5. I plus plus. Now it will see whether this element 4 is less than the minimum. No, it's not. So what it will do? Again, it will calculate the profit. How? The current element minus minimum is equal to 3. It will check whether this 3 is greater than the profit. No, it's not. So what it will do? It will not update anything. Now we are done with this iteration. We have already covered all the elements in this array. At last, we just have to return this profit value. Whatever value you will have, that will be your output. Let me quickly jump to the Leetcode compiler and we'll code this one. As we discussed, the first thing which we need is minimum. It will be infinity. So in this case, I am taking integer dot max value, and then we will just initialize the profit with 0. We will start the iteration. I starts from 0. It will go up to the length of the particular array and it will increment each time. Next step, we have to check if the current price is less than minimum or not. If it is less than minimum, then we have to update the minimum value with current price. If it is another thing, it will check if the current price minus minimum, if it is greater than profit, then what we have to do? We just have to update the profit with current price minus minimum. And at last, we don't have to do anything, simply return the profit. Whatever value you will have, that will be your output. So let me quickly execute this problem statement and we'll see whether it's working or not. So in this case, both the test cases are accepted. Now let me submit this solution. So all the 212 test cases passed successfully. So this is the approach we have to follow in order to solve problems related to best time to buy and sell the stocks. If you like the video, do subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching and enjoy your day.